All right, boys and girls, we have our information. Now we are ready to go ahead and add pictures. So one of the best places to start would be on the research links page of your 4th grade technology class website. For example, if I go to the National Geographic page, if I look for my country, I have to know what continent it is on, and then I can see a picture. Now I might see this picture and say, wow, that is a really great picture. So I can take my mouse, I'm going to right click, I have all these options, I'm going to say copy image, and then I'm going to go back to where I want to paste it. So maybe, let's say this would be one that I would want to add to my monuments page. So I'm going to go up to the top, press edit page, and press enter a couple of times so that there's some space. And then I'm going to right click again and press paste. So now my picture has been pasted into my page. Now if I go to the bottom, if I click on the picture and I go to the bottom, there are different options. I can align it left, meaning bring it all the way to the left side, put it in the middle, align center, or align right, put it all the way on the right. You can decide where you would like to have it. I like it maybe in the middle. You can also make it small, you can make it medium size, large, or you can make it the original size, whatever size it was on the website you found it. Okay, so if this is a picture we want, the next step before we do anything else is we have to go back again, and now I'm going to right click again and look what it said. It says copy image URL, meaning copy the website address. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back, and right underneath my picture I'm going to paste this. Now why am I doing this? This is just kind of like in our works cited page, but the works cited is for our information. This time I am pasting the URL, or where I got this picture from. So I'm probably going to make it small. It can go underneath the picture, and that's fine as long as it's there so that anyone would know and could go back to this place and find your image. Alright, so now that I have my picture and I have put the the web URL there, I'm going to click save, and now that's going to save to my website. Okay, I can go and I can look for a different picture if I want. See what I can find under my country and look for that as well. Now let's say I want to go to Google. I can type right in. Now if I think on my page, okay, this is my About Ukraine page. So what is something that's going to show me about Ukraine? I might think a map, the flag, something like that. Maybe something that like a national flower or animal. So I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to say Ukraine map. So here I've gotten pictures for Ukraine, and if I click on images, I now have all different maps to choose from. So I think this one looks kind of nice. It shows some of like the mountains and things like that. So what I can do is I'm going to, again, say copy image. I'm going to go back to my website, edit page, enter, and then I'm going to right click and paste my picture in there. Now you notice that's a very large picture, so I might make that a little bit smaller. Okay, this time I might put that on the left, and I'm gonna, so before I do anything else I have to go back, right click again on the picture, and I'm gonna say copy image URL, go back to my picture, and now I'm going to paste it. So I know that this is where the picture came from. So now I'm going to press save, and my information is right there. So boys and girls, your job will be to go through and add at least one picture to each of your about, your facts, your clothes, your food, and your monuments. And this time, the URLs for the pictures go right underneath. Go ahead and go.